Welcome. If you're tired of constant notifications from a specific topic in your Telegram group and want some peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mute a topic on your group forever using Telegram web on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to mute topics for everyone, so check your permissions before you proceed. Now, inside your group, look for the topic you want to mute. Topics help organize conversations, but sometimes you just don't want to see notifications from a particular one. To mute it, simply right-click on the topic. This will open a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Mute Notifications. You'll see different time durations, such as muting for a few hours or days. But if you want to silence it permanently, choose the Mute Forever option. This ensures you won't receive any notifications from that topic until you decide to unmute it later. After you've selected Mute Forever, look for a confirmation button, usually labeled Done. Click on it to save your changes. That's it. The topic is now muted forever, and you can enjoy your group without interruptions from that conversation. Muting topics is a great way to manage your Telegram experience, especially in busy groups where not every discussion is relevant to you. And remember, if you ever change your mind, you can always right-click the topic again and choose to unmute it. Thanks for following along. Now you know how to keep your Telegram group notifications under control with just a few clicks. Enjoy your quieter, more focused chat experience.